Hey guys, good morning. This is Joey at Truck Market down in Memphis. We've got a factory built 2015 Pete 389 glider kit to show you. It's got a 6NZ 550 cat, 18 speed, 615 on the clock. Also has a wet kit. I'm going to do a full walk around for you, show you underneath the hood, blow by, oil pressure, frame rails, everything that you'd want to see just like you were standing here. Let's get started. Southern truck, so there's no rust. Body and paint's in excellent condition. Fenders in good shape. Very rock names in the front where paint chips will be. One little spot in the grill, that's it. Everything's just been sanded and polished out. Very tastefully done on your catwalk here. I like that. Air slide fifth wheel. It's got a pinnable fifth wheel if you're running frameless dumps. Tall 24/5 rubber. Also equipped with disc brakes, which you don't see super often in this vintage truck. Nice add-on there. This has got the factory split tank as well. Nice minimizer formats, good clean on the inside. Extra gauges. Not quite up to operating temp, but you can see great low side oil pressure. That will drop a little bit as it continues on up from 160 to 185. 615, 17,000 hours. Super smooth through the RPMs. Guys, I appreciate you watching. If you got questions on this one or any other truck, feel free to give me a call, 901-896-4526, or you can also email me to joey@truckmarket.com. Thanks for watching.